So if you want to transfer your favorite music from your computer right to your Android phone, but don't know how to do this, here's a way out. So first of all, you have to get your USB-C to USB cable, or maybe USB-C to USB-C cable. Now you gotta grab your phone, locate the charging port and insert your USB-C part there. Now let's leave it for now. Insert your USB part into your USB port on your laptop. Great. Now grab your phone, swipe down from the top of the screen and locate this USB for file transfer. So tap here and make sure that you've chosen your USB for files transfer, because sometimes it may not be chosen automatically and you'll have to struggle with it. All right, now let's go to our laptop. So on your laptop, locate the file which you want to send. In my case, it's gonna be this 2 songs on my home screen. So prepare yours. Now let's open up my computer tab and locate this PC option. Now locate your phone. It should be detected. Double tap on it. Double tap on internal storage. And now locate your music tab, or basically you can put it anywhere just to make it more locatable and to make it more comfortable and civilized. Choose your music option, tap on it double time. Now locate the file which you want to move, simply hold it and drag it like right here. And basically that's it. Now let's grab our phone, let's open up our files. Here they are. Now look for your audio files, and here is the track which we just moved. So if we're gonna press it, choose how you want to play it, with music player for example. And as you see, it works and everything is good. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.